How to make music sound muffled. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can use Capcut to make music sound muffled. So let's dive in. First, you have to import your music over here. Once your music sound is imported, you click this plus sign and add it to the track, and once added to the track, just click it and select it. And now you have this basic voice changer and speed option. We have to ignore all the options and just choose this voice changer option. And here you get these voice filters. Now you can just try all these filters over here until you find the muffled sound music effect. I'm going to add this megaphone one to it. And once you add the megaphone option, you can see if the sound is muffled enough, and you can use these filters over here to make it more muffled if you want to, and you can choose the strength over here by dragging this strength bar. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.